everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you read the title, today my boyfriend and I are going to be dressing up as Ferb and Vanessa. Okay, so my boyfriend's in a bit of a rush. Let's bring him over and I'll show you exactly what he's wearing. Ooh, okay. Wait, do you fit? You don't fit, hold on. He came in a yellow polo from Amazon, some purple cargo pants, nice. And now the shoes, these are Converse. Okay guys, so we got some supplies. We're gonna put this towel so he doesn't get his skin and shirt dirty. And then I have this other towel that we're gonna put around him. And I changed into a ugly shirt. We first have to shake this well first. It is from Target, $3, and I also got 30% off of it. Aw, you look like a baby. Shake well before and during use. Okay, I did that. Hold can upright 10 inches away and spray from side to side in short bursts.
Está frío.
We did our first layer, I guess. We're gonna take a break. I'm gonna get ready while he eats and then we're gonna do a second coat. If you hear Bruno in the background, he's making himself a pizza, so don't mind that. As you can tell, my hair is straight. I have naturally curly hair. So basically, Vanessa, she's a baddie, so I straightened my hair to look like hers. And luckily, her hair's already dark like mine, so I don't have to spray paint it or anything. No offense, Bruno. First, we're gonna start off with a black button-up. Honestly, anything works. It might even work better if it's a shiny one. Next, I have these fake leather jeans that I got from TJ Maxx. The brand is Kendall and Kylie. Whoa. The third thing we have is a black corset because, Vanessa's a baddie. She wears a belt, I think, or something. I think her waist is snatched, so, I gotta make my waist snatched too. Got this off of Amazon. And then lastly, some black leather boots. Ooh. I got these off of Amazon. So I'm gonna just put the outfit on right now. Okay. I'm dizzy, guys. Okay. This is the fit. My waist is hella snatched. I'm not gonna lie, this is so tight right now. BBL without the surgery. My shoes look like this. Back my hair. Ooh, I almost fell. Anyway, the last thing to complete the look is gonna be my makeup and maybe styling my hair just a little bit. It's too tight on me, so. Oh, okay. So now let's comfortably do my makeup. I'm not gonna do anything crazy. I'm just gonna do my regular makeup that I always do. Concealer under the eyes, foundation, mascara. Her lipstick is a purpley pink, which is something I don't have. Ooh, no ma'am. Well, maybe. It's not pink, that's for sure. But it's it's giving baddie though. Wait, come closer. Look. Yeah, look, see guys, it's kind of green. I just missed a lot of spots. Hey guys, Bruno is finishing up his coffee, but we're gonna continue to spray him because now that it dried up, now you can really see the green. Bro, I thought this one was whack, but it's pretty good. He's a baby.
It's okay.
Say, I know what we're gonna build today.
Is this fair?
Oh, that's fair. You're busted. Yeah, she's finally gonna see him right. Guess who's how it's gonna be when she finds out that I was always right. You're